Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? Let's see, it is Saturday, February 20th of 2021. And you're right, today is the last stream before I start my new job. Which means next week's stream schedule will be quite different. I don't know what it'll be yet. If I feel like streaming in the afternoon, I'm just gonna do it. So you look out for those on the Discord and on the Twitters. But other than that, I don't really have any particular plans on when I'm going to stream, or what I'm going to stream. But I guess keep an eye out for that. I might also stream in the morning if I get up early enough. Oh my god, we're dropping frames again. What the fuck? Well, we might not even stream today if that keeps up. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, I did drop frames. I don't know. I don't know, chat. I don't know why the frames are problems. But anyway, let me say hi to everyone. Let's see. Beldathas and James Boyan were all talking before the stream started, which meant that James Boyan accidentally got first. Congrats on that one. MSR, good to see you. Konik, welcome back with the signature Love Peak L. Always good to see you, Konik. Kahawa, hello, welcome back. Sammy Voss, good to see you as well. Wait, there's a first game. I thought it was called Michaela is First, just accept it. Michaela's not even here yet, so I don't know what's up with that, but you win today, James Boyan. Hey, what's up, Sarcastic Dante? Hello. The first Kappa, yeah. Hey, what's up, Rollers? How's it going? And yeah, the frames. The frames, for some reason, the frames. Fucking frames. Goddamn frames. Hate you, frames. Why must you leave me? Hayden, how's it going? Good to see you. JB Pratt, welcome back. And Juicebox here is here as well. Yep, I'm gonna work with Stripe, Hayden. It'll be pretty cool. Okay, so before we get started today, we have a very easy pull request to look at. Which is... where's this button? There's the button. Unrelated to deadsnakes, which is what we're planning to work on today. We are adding support for Clang format and Clang tidy configuration files, which apparently are both YAML. Seems fine to me. Seems easy to do that one. Did you just try a British accent? Did I? A what? I don't know. My mouth makes weird noises all the time. I don't know if it was particularly British or not, but anyway. Welcome to the stream, Hayden. Exonity! Good to see you. But yeah, easy pull request. Merge this one. We gotta go release it as well. Pre-commit / identify. Lots of tags. Git show, I don't know, v1.5.9, that's probably the most recent one. I think it's just set up as CFG. But always good to double check. Yep, it is. 1.5.14. Git commit -m 1.5.14. Boop. Estes, speedest, wheel. Line up to the. And then zip IPI password. Nope, didn't drop any more frames. This time it's you, and not me. The frames count is currently at 297. And that's what it has been since the first, I don't know, minute of the stream. Can't confirm weird noises all the time. Yeah, that'll happen. Okay, so I have two big things to do with deadsnakes today. One of them is applying applying this patch to all of the Pythons. Well, okay, so the TZ data is 3.9 and newer, and CA certificates is all of the Pythons. So this is one patch that I have to do. Which is very straightforward, very easy to do. Then there's another patch that I want to do. And I guess the question is, should I do it all at once or should I do it in 2 passes? Hey, what's up, friend left by the speaker? Oh my god, my heat is turned on. This is the first time it's turned on in days. Which I guess means I should probably RTX voice so that you don't hear the heat. Hey, what's up, Hayden? Thank you for the host. As you do. Don't jinx the frames. Yeah. Alright, let me switch to RTX voice. So now you can't hear my heater. The fuck was I doing? Not pre-commit, deadsnakes. Okay, so there's oh, actually I know what I was doing. I was opening up this. Oh boy, I'm at like a weird angle because I'm not posturing in my seat well, so typing is a little struggle here. The other patch is to add this -full package to all of the things, and I think I can combine all these into one patch. The thing is, a lot of this is going to change depending on the version that we use. So that's going to be tricky. We'll do that as well. Beldathas, thank you as well for the host. I guess whoever was on my auto host went offline. Nice! I see. Hey, what's up, Dude44? Hello, hello. And again, a little struggle. Maybe I'm just doing it to mess with you, Hayden. Have you ever thought about that one? I think I can do both these patches at the same time. I guess. Yeah. What is the change here? Drew says, I think the timing only works out that I have to get groceries now. Do you want me to pick up anything for you tomorrow? Yes, I do. One sec. Hey, what's up, LdCaicedo? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Can you get me, let's see, a fridge loaf and some green apples, and some sliced pepper jack cheese, like the squares. Fridge loaf. So I am maybe a little bit strange, and also good to see you, Shazro. How's it going? I'm maybe a little bit strange, and I put sliced bread in the fridge because it keeps longer in the fridge, and so I've come to refer to bread that I put in the fridge as fridge loaves. As opposed to bread that I don't put in the fridge, because there is some bread that I don't put in the fridge. Like if it's, fancy bread that's on a cutting board, I will keep that out of the fridge, but I put my sliced bread in the fridge. That's just counter loaf. That's usually just that's cutting board loaf, as opposed to fridge loaf. Oh god, we have the drop song already. That was early. But yeah. Anyway, that's fridge loaf. Oh, Sarcastic Dante does too, and Juicebox Hero. Okay, it's not just me with the fridge loaf. Strange, I just call it bread. I see. Well, See, if I say bread, it could be either like, you know, fancy bread, or it could be a fridge loaf. Whereas, like, my fridge loaf is the less fancy bread. Jason says, let's say you want to test that the only path in a folder is folder, subdir, file, and no other subdir or file exist. Lister twice. Why do you need to lister twice? I think you only need to lister once. It can also be a baguette. It's true, Beldathas. That could be one potential thing that is not a fridge loaf. Because I would not put, oh, God, fucking sex bots. God damn it. I would not put a baguette in the fridge. How do sex bots? See if we have any comments also. Yeah, fucking sex bots. Report. Go away. Die. Die, sex bots, die. One question. How good is object versus any when used for type hinting? Doesn't any and object kind of work the same? The answer is no. They are not the same, but they have subtle differences. So any and object are different in that object is opaque, doesn't allow any attributes operator access, whereas any is what I refer to as squishy, in that it lets you do anything to it. I should probably make a video about this. Let's see, video, idea, any verse, object. It seems that a C by the default is, aw, man. Dang, I was so close to getting this while I'm recording. Oh well. When to assert os.lister folder equals subdir, and when to assert subdir is equal to file.txt. Oh, for tests, yeah, I would just do two listers. That's what I would do. I thought you meant the Twitch chat kept looking for weird messages. Oh no, I'm talking about YouTube. For whatever reason, there are these, and they change, they adjust, they learn, they have realized now that they use this weird domain in India, and that supports any subdomain and redirects to like a friend finder 9000 or whatever. But yeah, I guess I just refer to all of the shitty YouTube comments as sex bots. Because I think it's funny. I don't know that it's actually funny, but I find it funny, and that's what really matters, right? Okay, so let us start with deadsnakes / Python 3.10. I'm going to start with 3.10 first and go backwards. Juice says, okay, I go get groceries right meow, fridge loaf, green apples, and sliced pepperjack. Indeed, I think that is all I will need, presumably. But thank you. Alright, so let us do Python 3.10. Okay, so there's two changes to do. One is TC data depends and CA certificates recommends. I think I actually have a different setup of that right now. And I gotta apply. Oh, I gotta apply this so many times. Oh, I forgot about the other ones too. We also have deadsnakes / Python 3.10 nightly, and 3.9 nightly, and 3.8 nightly, and 3.7 nightly. Which I think I'm gonna stop doing this 3.7 nightly, although it doesn't really add any more maintenance. Mr. Grorge, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Is this open source Python programming? It is indeed. Welcome to GGV. Hello. Pepperjack sounds yummy. Oh my god, pepper jack is such a good cheese. I don't know why you would ever want any other cheese when there's pepper jack. This is taking forever. What the fuck? We gotta do it 3 more times too. deadsnakes/python 3.9 nightly. The thing is, we're not gonna release the nightly ones. I will do those tomorrow automatically because scripting. Yay. deadsnakes Python 3.7 nightly. Are you sure it's open source Python programming? How would I be unsure? I know precisely what I'm doing, TwitchyTV. Why would it be something different? I mean, right now I'm just doing a bunch of git clones to get set up. So I'm not actually doing programming yet. But why would I be unsure? Are we about to get Richard Stolen in open time? Yeah, that would be funny. We're gonna get some FSF being thrown down here. Excuse me, sir. What you're referring to as Linux is actually GNU plus Linux. Yeah, if only the bot were 100%. Here, we can temporarily make it 100%. Where's the... Here, now you can get your fix on. Go for it. It does react. It's just 1 in 10 because it was being too aggressive now. Oh wait, is Emacs not matched? Oh, it does. It was just slow. It does. It's just slow. Metal. I'd like to interject for a moment. What you're referring to as Linux is in fact GNU/Linux, or as I've been recently been calling it, GNU plus Linux. Linux is not an operating system unto itself, but rather another component of a fully functioning GNU system. Means by GNU core loops, shell utilities, and vital system components comprising of full OS, as defined by topics. Yeah, there we go. Anyway. zlastwolf, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing... Oh, okay, we're gonna turn this back off. But anyway, amusing. But anyway, okay, so we've got all these set up. We're gonna start with 310 normal. Yes. Yes. Debian control.in. Okay, so we need to do a couple of things here. We need to find... Is it the standard lib that has the dep? Yeah. So I already added recommends TZ data. However, it looks like we're changing this to recommends CA certificates and depping CA TZ data. TZ data. So that should look like TZ data recommends CA certificates. Yes? Yes. And in both files, and we'll generate the other one. Make -f control file. Okay, so that's the first commit here, which is add TZ data, recommend CA certificates. Okay. Oh god, I have to make this change so many times. Let's see, I have to do it 12 minus 2 times 2, 20 for 3.7 onwards, 20 times there. Then I have to do it for 3.6, 3.5, 3.4, 3.3, 3.2, 3.1 times 10. I have to make this same change about 50 times. I hate this so much. zlastwolf says, hi, just came here. Any advice for moving Python advanced noob to advanced user? Build projects, make things happen. My advice for learning is work on projects. That's how I learn. That's how I get more stuff done. But yeah, I don't know. What's up, Barnier? How's it going? I do have a bunch of YouTube videos on my YouTube channel that you can learn from as well. So check those out. Jugmax says, hello, just upgraded Python 3.7 to 3.9. Thanks for that. Yeah, no problem. Released those all yesterday. I also did 3.6, but I guess you probably don't care about 3.6 anymore, which is neat. Python 390 says, do you play any games? Yes, I do. I play a lot of Pokemon. I really like Faster Than Light. I like Portal. I have played a lot of Borderlands. I played a lot of Skyrim. I play a lot of Minesweeper. What else? What else do I like doing? I'm currently grinding shiny Pokemon, as I tend to. I'm actually working on one that's extremely hard. Oh yeah, Ken. I do play a lot of Ken. I'm currently grinding one which is the worst odds ever in a Pokemon game. It is approximately 1 in 130,000 to get this particular shiny Pokemon. And my current estimated time to acquire it is somewhere around 600 hours for the expected value. Of course, playing for 600 hours at the current strategy that I'm using only yields about a 60% chance of getting it, just due to the way probability works. But yeah, anyway, I play a lot of Pokemon. Cheese White said, by the way, if you know how to play, join a variable hard-coded one, do you use an S string or S-step at the join? I usually use S-step at the join just because it's slightly more portable. Pokemon machines, yes, it's true. Type Racer, I guess that counts as a game. I wonder, how do you balance coding and playing games? I don't know. I do either of them whenever I feel like doing either of them. I was actually playing. So most of the games that I play are when I am working out. I will ride my exercise bike and play Pokemon at the same time. So that's where I get probably most of my exercise in. Oh, you did not get an update for 3.6.5 deadsnakes, still on 3.6.9 from October. That means that you are running Ubuntu 18.04. You're running Bionic. And Bionic ships with 3.6, so deadsnakes does not provide a package for Bionic in 3.6. So that is the reason there. Okay, but yeah, this is one of the changes. Oh, I have to do this so many times. You know what, I'm gonna do the TZ data and CA certificates change first, just because it's easier. I have to think less about it, and I can do all of those at once. I think, yeah. Get commit -m lib python standard lib depend TC data recommend CA certificates, and then and then I gotta do, oops, I don't actually want to do it like that. dch-v focal 2 focal lib python standard lib depend TZ data recommend CA certificates. I gotta get a way to automate that, because it's gonna be a pain in the ass. Okay, let's write a script. Is this worth scripting? Maybe this isn't worth scripting. It kind of is worth scripting. Hey, what's up, Dune? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. I had a funny error message today. Oh, I saw this. I mean, build out an eggs is probably the problem. But it also looks like they mixed up a tuple and a string somewhere here. Hey, what's up, Devil Kid? Hello. How you doing? But yeah, I saw this. It's pretty funny. Okay. So, what did I actually change here? I changed recommends TZ data to recommends CA certificates. So we can do that automatically. Sed dash I recommends TZ data to recommends CA certificates debian/control.in. So that's one change. Depends, or what was it? Lib Python standard lib depends TZ data recommends CA certificates. So that's part of this. The other part is finding that depends line. I wonder if there's anything else that looks like this. I'm gonna control that in. Oh, I bet I can look for MIME support. MIME support. Ah, you were in here more than once. Oh, you were in here multiple more than once times. Dang. But I bet I can look for MIME support, comma, $. Yeah, I bet I can do that. Hackety script, Debian control, no, this file. This with this. Okay. Don't say something wrong about build out. I am a new contributor / maintainer. Oh no. I'm so sorry. I think my sub expired today. Oh no, the Devil Kid. You'll just have to resub. Roast Design says, hello, I have no idea how programming works, but it looks interesting. Can you explain what you're making right now? Oh, I am... man. So, I'm on a Linux system right now. That the distribution is called Ubuntu. And on Ubuntu, you install a bunch of packages. These are, for instance, all of the Python 3 packages that I have installed. Some of them are part of the operating system, some of the ones are separate packages. And I am changing how this particular package works. I maintain this package, the Python 3.9 -dev flavor in a personal package archive. So it's not an official package, but it is a package that I maintain. But yeah, and we are fixing some of the dependencies of this package today. Noom44 says multiple more than once times. Wait, what? Did I say that somewhere? Did I say that out loud? I don't know. Sometimes I say things that make no sense. Jason says, back in the past, I was wondering if it actually makes sense to use an f string versus path.join. I said use path.join. I already answered that one. It's more portable. It really doesn't matter if you're only targeting Linux, but it's usually better to use the things that use the best practice when possible. Hey, what's up, Kryptonisk? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Cybertrekker has set the MOTD to MOTD. Jugmax says, by the way, maybe I missed it. How was the meeting with you, Debian/Ubuntu package maintainers? It went well. I basically told them the things that I have trouble with, and they were like, "Oh yeah, we can fix that. We will try and fix it for 3.10." So probably the next Ubuntu release will be easier. We essentially talked about three things. One was the thing that I'm doing right now, which is better dependencies on CA certificates and TZ data. Another one we talked about was the splitting of the distutils package. And how we're going to bring it back into the standard lib and part of the default distribution so that it is less obnoxious. We also talked about the standard lib extensions packages having multiple Python versions in them and how that makes my users frustrated, and so they're going to try and split those to make that easier. We also talked about full packages, which makes it easier for people that don't know what they're doing to get started with Python on Debian-like distributions. So those are the things that we talked about. We also talked about the virtual env fuckery, which apparently is already fixed with the weird devendoring situation. And the maintainers I talked to were like, yeah, as soon as we rolled that out, we realized it was a mistake. We also talked about their separate package resources package and how that might, how that's frustrating for users and might go away. But that one was less of a priority, so we didn't really have any concrete plans there. Chester says, OMG, a couple more days until employment starts. How are you feeling? I don't know. I feel like, yeah, I don't know. I'm hoping it's fine. But you never really know. Okay. Hey, dpackage parse changelog is what I want. Dpackage parse changelog. Show field distribution. Okay, so we need that. Dpackage parse changelog show field equals version. Okay, so we'll be able to take the distribution and the version, and I'm going to try and increment this number at the end. Oh, I should have written this in Python. Mistakes were made. We will port this Python. Python 3. Subprocess.check call. Set dash I. I can actually just combine these two, probably. And I did a video on sed recently, so I would recommend checking that out. I thought it was a pretty good one. Subprocess.check call. Should I just make a helper? Schlex. Love that module. And I learned recently I can do schlex.join. God. Yeah, and I know someone's gonna be like, yeah, you know, you've spent all this work scripting this. But by this point, it would have been faster just do it yourself. And yeah, you're probably right. Probably right. Hey, what's up, Lunanen? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, and the shoe. Run, get, commit, dash. Oh, actually, I don't need this. But this might make it easier to do the other ones of these as well. Okay, so that's that so far. Hey, what's up? Shingai. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Ah, you have the clip of the multiple more than once. Multiple more than once times. Love it. That's Shinji. Hello. Welcome back. Good to see you. Thank you for the links there, Beldathas. Appreciate that. Save says there's a wrong semicolon in the first run call, second line, if I'm not misreading your sed call. Nope, this is entirely intentional. The reason this is intentional is you can join multiple commands in sed at the same time. So if we did hello or hi, and we pipe that to sed, and we want to do hello with hello, and we also want to do oh hi with oh hi. You can do multiple sed commands at the same time. So what the semicolon is doing is it's joining two sed commands. So yes, it is intentional. Just a little weird. Massive Mike says, hi, you are fantastic. What are you doing? I am upgrading packages. I am fixing dependencies for Python packaging. With some Python. Yeah. And now we're doing the changelog part. So we need this. This equals subprocess dot check outputs. This dot decode but strip, and then we also need to get version. Version equals subprocess dot check outputs. Hey, what's up, Pig Season? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Code.strip. And then we need to find the version number at the end of this. I'm going to assume it's just a single integer, which is a bit of a hack. Version equals version num equals version str version equals version -1 f string with version num. Actually don't need to stir this then. Okay, cool. So that looks like a bonus version. Nice. And then I need to do this. DCH new version distribution dist message, and then git -am finish changelog for version. So in theory, this should automate that entire change that I just did manually. And to test it, let's do git status. We will reset to here, and we'll run t. And of course, I have a syntax error on this line. Extra characters after command. I had 2 bugs there. Okay, so this should have just been that. That looks good. And this should have just been that. MIME support to the data recommends CA certificates. Sick! Okay. And then the last part of this is run book/release. Actually, we'll do the release manually. Okay. Run books release. It's not how you Schleck. It's not how you Schlecks. It's how deep you lexical handle. New force says I always did as said -e first thing -e second thing. Ah, I see. I see. Jason says so. Chat or Anthunk, any advice on how to make repr that gives you a good representation? Because I'm just shit at making these kinds of things. So the rule of thumb that I usually do for reppers is to make it the same as the code you would have to write to construct a thing. Lice Nicholas says, hey, you got the new syntax there about unmatched parentheses. Are you running 310? Oh, I know you. You worked on the parser. Wait, did I get the fancy error message? I don't think I did. I think this is the old error message. This is 3/8 error message. It would have given me the new error message if I was missing a parenthesis, I think. Let's actually make that. Let's put that error or the syntax error back. So I had too many parentheses here. Yeah, so that's that error message, but oops. If we would have left off one there, then we get this, which is very, very good error message, as opposed to what it was in previous versions, which is just kind of a useless, invalid syntax thing. But yeah, that was... I feel slightly responsible for that, because I complained about it on Twitter, and then it was fixed like the next day. But yeah, it's really cool. The cool thing is PyPy has had this for a while. So if you're not on 310, you can use... I often use PyPy to find where the syntax error is, because PyPy has had this for a very, very long time. But yeah, it's very nice. I'm very happy about this change. Jisoy says, by the way, do you make a folder called classes where one file for every class, or just throw class files in with the rest of the source files? I just throw the files in with the rest of the source files. I don't really name folders after what they contain. But yeah, pretty cool there. All right, so now I'm going to just go down all of 310. Oh, my dishwasher's done. It is beeping at me. And do these releases over and over and over. And then we'll do the full packages afterwards. How far back should I do these packages? In theory, I could do all of them. I think deadsnakes has all the way back to 2.4. It won't soon though, because the SSL patch, because the SSL patch was not backported past 3.5. So on 2004, I can only package 3.5 and up. Well, I could package the old ones, but unless somebody is paying me to backport security patches to old Pythons, I don't have the time or the motivation to do it. Oh, right, and this takes forever for some reason. I think something has regressed in the I/O bits of what's it called? Overlay for Podman for some reason. Hey, what's up, Arctic Space Fox? Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. So that's 310 focal. Then we gotta do 310 bionic. Wow, that uploaded fast. Why did that upload so fast? Maybe it only did the diff somehow? That doesn't seem right. Okay, so we did focal. Now to do bionic. Actually, we're gonna put head, show, head. Can I do head and head arrow at the same time? Is that a thing? And head arrow. Yeah, I can. Cool. That looks right. Cool. Always wanted to watch an experienced program. Well, I mean, maybe I'm experienced. Who am I kidding? Of course I'm experienced. Ant says you probably gotten this a lot, but why Nano and not Vim? And it's not actually. Wait, why did it upload Focal 2? Hadn't you changed it to Focal 3? Maybe I misread. So I changed it to Focal 2, then I undid the patch, which brought it back to Focal 1, and then I redid the patch again as Focal 2. Focal 2 is the right version. But yes, it was confusing because when I ran that temporary command with everything commented out, it printed out Focal 3. Hey, what's up, aalhendi? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Got to do my GPG again. Copy, paste. Then we got to do Xenial. Should I make myself a checklist? I think we're gonna make ourselves a checklist. Checklist. We have 3.10, 3.10 nightly, 3.9, 3.9 nightly, 3.8, 3.8 nightly, 3.7, 3.7 nightly, 3.6, 3.5, 3.4, 3.3, 3.2. Do I have 3.1? I guess my question changes to why Babby? Click on the video! Explain it in the video! That's why I recorded it! 3.1. Okay, 3.1. And then 2.6. How far back do we go in Python 2? Well, all the way back to 2.3. Amazing. 2.5, 2.4, 2.3. Okay, so we got to do all of these, and for 310 we need to do focal, bionic, Xenial. That is also true for 310 and 3.9. For 3.8 we don't have focal. Oh, fuck. For 3.7 we have all three. 3.6 we have everything except for bionic. So we have... Oh, and then for 3.5 we have everything except for Xenial. And then for the old ones, everything older than that, we only have bionic and Xenial. Okay, so this is what we have to get done today for the first patch. And we have done this, and now we have to do Xenial. That looks good. Oh, a lot of work. A lot of busy work today. Funkle? No, it's focal. Focal fossa. I believe it is. Ugh. The thing is, the patch also changes before 3.9, so once we're done with the 3.10s and 3.9s, then we have to change, because we're no longer doing TZ data after that. But yeah, it's all the way back to 3.3. So, cool thing is, after Xenial and Bionic are dead, I'm not going to maintain anything below 3.5. Because these will all not work. Although I think I will, I think I'll end up having to maintain 2.7 eventually. Once the main repositories don't have it. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens there. Okay, so that's this out of the way. Let us do Python 3.10 nightly. Git checkout debug to focal /t. Okay, that looks good. The other cool thing is, actually, what happened with the changelog here? Plus focal 2. Okay, cool. Oh, actually, I think I don't want a changelog here because I think I released using a different GPG key. Yeah, I released using this GPG key. So I think I actually don't want that. If os.environ nightly dot git nightly. If not, then we'll do these. Damn it. Port OS X, that's not what we want. Okay, that looks good. This one, instead of releasing, we just push. So that's focal done. Bionic. That's Bionic done. Do I not have Xenial? I do have Xenial. That should be Xenial done. I had to make sure that I pushed all these. I pushed Bionic. I pushed Bionic. Where's focal? Push focal. Where's Xenial? Okay, so that one's done. How did you make path equals something print with an F string? You use a leading or a trailing equal sign. So if you have foo equals wat, and then you print foo, this will just print the value, but if you put an equals after it, it will show you the expression here. In fact, you can put more in here, and it'll show the full expression here, which is kind of neato nifty. The answer says, what's the easiest, not best way to get some statistics and graphs from Apache/Junicorn logs? I don't feel like writing something right now. I don't know. I don't know. We had specialized log parsing stuff for that at Yelp. I don't remember if we had anything particularly for that at Lyft. Okay, anyway, done with 3.10, on to 3.9. Yeah, check out Ubuntu Focal. I'm Sports Data recommends to CA certificates. Runbooks released. So that will be Focal out of the way. Once I get my GPG key again. Slowly working down this big old checklist here. This is way more work than I thought it was going to be. And then I have to do essentially this whole thing for the fill packages too. The fill packages will have to be for another day. Can't you automate the work for next time? That's essentially what I tried to do with the little T file, although you'll see as soon as we're done with 3.9, I actually have to change how the T file works. Because one of the commands is not going to function properly, which is fine. That actually makes it simpler for the rest of the packages. All right, get the GPG key. That's Focal done. So now we got to do Bionic. Trigger all the builds. Check out Ubuntu Bionic. Then T. And then that looks good. Then release that one. But how y'all doing in chat today? Also, good to see you again, Easy Light. How's it going? It's a nice Saturday. Other than the goddamn construction that's going on nearby. But we have RTX voice on today, so hopefully you can't see it. RTX voice is actual magic. It's crazy amazing magic. I had really good food for breakfast this morning. I had leftover bananas, and I was like, I want to make banana bread, and then I was like, do I really have an hour to make banana bread? I did not have an hour to make banana bread. So instead what I did is I made banana bread batter and then instead made pancakes from it. Oh my god, they were so good. They were so fucking good. Can't you automate the automating the work? I mean, I might be able to. The thing is I have to type in the GPG key password a bunch of times, so probably not. But I've mostly automated the tricky parts of this, so it's not too bad. It's really just running this script over and over and over. It's good. Release. But yeah, I had banana bread pancakes for breakfast this morning. Oh, they were so good. They were so good. I have 2 left. I'm gonna save those ones for Juice when she comes over later today. But don't tell her, it's a surprise. We can review this while this is running. Virtual env wrapper. Ah, yes, this was a fun video because I don't actually use virtual env wrapper, so I had to do a bunch of work to like learn how virtual env wrapper works and play around with virtual env. This was entirely because somebody asked how these work. I'm like, oh, they're bash functions, but let me explain the whole deals. But yeah, looks good. Hey, what's up? Sepper, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Everything's fine here. How's your new job going, or will you start later this year? I start in 2 days. I start on Monday at my new job. Presumably the first week will just be boring HR shenanigans, but yes, I start on Monday at Stripe as a staff software engineer. Hey, what's up, Piggy Master? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Where I'm going to be working on a team called Foundation. Oh, gotta get the GPG key before it times out. No, don't time out on me. Paste. No! Okay, I'm always... That's so stupid. Sometimes it errors like this, and I don't trust pasting again because I don't want to show my GPG key password on stream, you know? I'm just being a little bit cautious here. Piggy Master says, "Hey man, welcome, welcome. Congratulations on the new job." Yeah, I'm excited. I'm also a little bit apprehensive. I feel like, I don't know, just like everyone else, I struggle a little bit with some of that imposter syndrome, and whenever I start a new job, it feels like it's in full force. Like, what if I'm not what they expect me to be? What if I don't do good jobs? What if I don't enjoy it? I don't know. There's all sorts of things that bubble through my head when that happens that makes me a little bit apprehensive. But I don't know. I'm sure it'll go fine. Okay. 3-9 normal is done. Let's do 3-9 nightly next. Nightly. Nightly equals 1, or vocal. Nightly equals 1. Yes. Push. Once we pushed, we're done with vocal. That's bionic. Skin. So that's bionic. And then Xenial. That looks good. Alright, now I gotta do 3-8. 3-8 changes. It says, "Anthony, here's your work for the week. Hour later, I'm done. I just automated it." I mean, yeah, that's kind of what I do, in a way. The thing is, I am probably not going to be in a situation where people are saying, "Here's the work to do." I'm going to be in the harder situation where I have to figure out what everyone else needs to do. Because I am in a position of seniority. Alright, 3-8. I think, let's see. What does package lib look like? Okay, so this has MIME support. We're not going to add TZ data. Oh, but we have to add that recommends line. Oh, this is going to be tricky. How are we going to do this? How are we going to do this? I need to find the line and then insert a line after it. I don't remember how to do that with sed. Insert after matched line sed. I think I need to do /thing/I1/line or something like that. You said to insert lines before or after a match. Oh god. Just give me the answer. I don't want to read your fucking tutorial. Insert a line before the match. /A. Oh, it wasn't /I. Okay. Is the dot star necessary? Let's try this. Echo dashi. Hi, hello, flat. Sed. So match, hello, append. Yes. Oh. Okay, so it's just like this. Hey, what's up, Slim Joel? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. What does this do? Now if you do bang MOTD, you can get that message echoed back to you, Piggy Master. Just what it says, is it a thing to use _file for my file class because it's like a private class? Yeah, you could do that. I would still name it capital file. Yeah. The question is like whether you expose that class to users. If you don't expose it to users, yeah, it's fine. You the boss? I'm not exactly the boss Omni of coding, but I'm in a position of seniority from a technical perspective. New scenario, you don't have to do anything this weekend, just automate. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Okay, so this is what I want to do with sed. Again, like I talked about this in my video, there's so many things you can do with sed, and I don't know most of them. I mostly just use it to do find and replace, but I know that you can do powerful stuff like this, and so, yeah. Like, Googling for sed is usually what I do. Michaela! How's it going? Zithrius! Hello, hello. Zubblegrath, thank you for the follow. Zabblegrath, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. A lot of people miss the -E on Echo. So cool thing about this, you actually don't need the -E because you could use bling strings, which are pretty neato nifty. I think I have a video about this. Yeah, bling strings. Oh yeah, there's Tetris. The sed Tetris. That's true. I mean, you do need the class to get to class a function, but it's like a function. Oh, I see. Yeah. I see. Also, hi, Zithrius. One day I will host this man. One day. One day. Ugh. Centris. My god. Anyway, some old scripts. Oh, this poor man's. Those poor man's. Okay, so let us change this. So we are no longer doing this sed command. We are now doing, let's see, this was for 3.9 plus and less than 3.9. We are doing match for raw string match for mime support comma \$, and then we are appending recommends CA certificates. Yes, I think. And then we're no longer depending. We're just recommending CA certificates. So let's try this. Getting back to my checklist. Fuck. Onto Bionic. I got an extra slash. Just no extra slash here. Okay. Recommend CA certificates, Bionic 3. Oh, fuck. Why did it not reset properly? I guess I'll have to reset properly in a second. It double did this change. Okay, let's do hard origin Ubuntu Bionic. Okay, so now we should get Bionic 2. Good. Recommends CA certificates and in both places. Okay, so that looks good. And we will release that bad boy. Caleb says, tired, trying hard to wake up so I can pick up my groceries. I see. Do you not have like fancy grocery delivery? Granted, I don't really do grocery delivery either. I mostly go to the store myself. But yeah, I guess it depends on where you live and how close you are to civilization and whether they have services like that there. Multi-line wrappers are fine, right? I like multi-line wrappers. I find them very rare outside of the code that I write. But I usually use multi-line wrappers because I find them a lot easier to read in the terminal. Durburger says, what are you building? I am building Python packages for Ubuntu. In particular, I am going through this checklist and making the same change, but slightly different. But yeah. Don't people scream at me for 120 line characters? Yeah, right? Okay, got to do the GPG key. Man, if I make it through this stream without leaking my GPG key password, then we'll be good. They probably deliver, but it costs monies. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Say less. Anthonk, I don't use grocery delivery. Also, Anthonk tells Juice Bunks to get him something from the grocery store. She offered. Let it be clear. She offered. And it's just like a fridge loaf and some apples, so. Winning Wing Forever says, really, when releasing Python packages, do you have to go through every variant of every OS? I do for all the ones I support. Usually I don't have to make changes that are this wide, though. This happens to affect every single one that I do. What do the modules do? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do the modules do? Like, what am I changing here? I'm making it so that it is easier to get started with Python on Ubuntu platforms. Yes, that is probably the easiest way to represent this change. Xenial recommends. CA certificates. Okay. Show us what that code do. I mean, the code, this is what it does. It does this and it makes some commits. What is the blue thing in the middle? You do bang, bang, blue thing. You will learn that it is a bit of toy. It spins. It doesn't really do anything. It's just kind of a cool little spinny toy thing. I guess if I on a Pokemon machine, so I'll show you on my cellular telephonic. But it's a ball, and it looks cool. But anyway, why is my phone bugging? A text message. Who is the text message from? It's from my dad. He is now fully vaccinated. I'm so jelly. I'm so jelly. I wish I was vaccinated. He got his second shot today, which is cool. Oh no, gotta do the GPG before time's out. GPG, copy, paste twice because it's Xenial for some reason. Hey, what's up, Slim Joel? Hello. This is fine. Let's see what we have here. So I would not write it like this, because I would never write code like this. What I would do is have 1, 2, 3, 4. I would have this so you don't have arbitrary indentation and you have trailing commas. And probably what I would actually end up writing is this. Yeah. But anyway. Better watch out. Heard the second shot can be deadly. Yeah, it has a lot of so the side effects of the second shot are showing that it works essentially, because it's directly testing your immune response to the vaccine at that point. Anthony formatting, yeah, it's true. Can we use them as a pre-commit hook? You can actually. Add trailing comma will do that transformation automatically, which is kind of nifty. Okay, on to 3.8 nightly. 3.8 hiccups. Nightly. That looks good. That's bionic. And we'll do Xenial. That's Xenial. And then we're on to 3.7. That's Ubuntu Focal. We're making progress there, chat. There's a lot to go. God damn. Hey, what's up, Ergo? Hello, hello. Can't you automate this? I mean, it's partially automated. There are things I can't automate here, though. So it is at least partially automated. So that's at least done well. This is focal, yes. The US already has 600% more people vaccinated than Germany. Our politicians would rather give 700 million to Daimler so they could pay their shareholders instead of paying a couple bucks more for vaccine. That sucks. That sucks. I'm sorry to hear that. Oh, I am past my drinking water stage. Let us get 3-7 and 3-7 nightly done, and then I will go fill up my water. I have a little bit left, but I should have finished this much water by now. Man, I wish this didn't take so long to build the source package. It takes forever for some reason. RPG. Copy and paste. And copy unrelated text, and that is focal done. And let's check out Ubuntu/Bionic. And run our script again. How do you have so much water left? Probably because I've been talking a lot and focusing. Oh, why am I waiting for this? Yeah, that looks good. Run books release, so that will do Bionic. But at least I've finished the water now, so that's good. Oh man. You're not helping me wake up right now, Anthony. Least exciting stream we've ever. What did you want me to do? A type racer? Is that gonna wake you up? Are you hoping somebody gives some subs? Is that what'll wake you up? Are you hoping that I show my feet on stream? What are you trying to get out of me, Michaela? Man, you're so boring today. You're just writing code. Where's the normal stream where you don't just write the code? Is that what's going on? Because I understand. I understand. This is tedious for me as well. We might take a break in the middle and do something else. Just because, yeah, you're right. You're absolutely right. Python requires greater than or equal to 391 isn't a thing yet. Oh. Yeah, I just haven't bumped the thing. Flakegate, typing, imports. It just doesn't know about it because I have to regen this script every time. You probably don't want 391. You probably just want 39 because nothing really changed in 391. How does this script work? Where's the arguments? Bin build generated. An Afromain. Thank you for the resub with Prime at 2 months. That gets you a fancy new badge, and yeah, I'm happy to share the knowledge. Oh god, what changed here? I think my script is just buggy. The output here is always kind of weird. 370 got plus generic meta minus forward ref. Why do you have minus order dict? Why do you have minus annotated? I think I just need to fetch and pull. And then it'll regen the script. Hey, what's up, Sidroid? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, you probably don't want to do 391 Python requires. Probably just want 390 or 39. What did this change? I added a few versions. I should probably get this to a point where you can dedupe. Oh, it did get 391, 392. Huh, cool. Although there should have been no changes there. I'm not going to bother with this change set. I don't think anything changes here. When 310 comes out, I will regen it though. But that's why. But also, you probably don't want 391 there. Okay, so we did Bionic. Hey, what's up? With my hoe. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well with your hoe. A weird thing to say, but nonetheless. She's aroused now that you've mentioned feet. That's a yikes from me, dog. Did you just say I need to fetch them all? I think I said I need to fetch them all with an F. Funny thing, the only reason I'm using 3.9 is because that's when multi-line width statements got fixed. Oh. Yeah, then you probably went 3.90 instead of 3.91. Hey, what's up, Sidroid? Hello, hello. Yeah, you have set them OTD. Good job. Good job, you did it. Congratulations. Sometimes I amuse myself more than I probably should. Okay, do the Jipijiki again. 1 and 2 because it's Xenial. Copy something else. And then we'll do nightly, and then I'm gonna go get my water. Sarcastic Anthony Day? I mean, maybe a little bit spicy. But that's kind of normal, right? Right? Ish. Ubuntu. Oh, I didn't do this one for focal. Let's pretend that's not there. Why didn't I do this for focal? I don't know. For some reason, though. That equals 1. Cool. Get push origin head. And that one is done. And then Ubuntu Xenial. Get push origin head. Okay, so that gets us done through 3.7. I'm going to go fill my water, and we will do 3.6 and older after I get back. I will see you in a bit. Hello, I'm back. How are you doing, chat? I know. Show water. Here you go. Here you go, Michaela. I got water. It's real. Sidroid says it's interesting because one day I saw the bot code on GitHub and today I saw you on Twitch. Oh, neat. Kind of odd that you would see the bot code before the stream, but I guess that works out. Okay, cool. So now we are on to 3.6. Did I clone things older than 3.7? I cloned 3.6. Let's clone all the other ones. Deadsnakes / Python 3.5. And then we gotta do 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. 4. Oh, so much. I'm gonna run out of disk space, probably. I'm gonna run out of disk space. Oh, I have 8 gigs. It'll be fine. Hopefully. 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 6, 2, 5, 2, 4. Man, those are really old Python versions. And 2, 3. Okay. Cool. Kale says, really time to go. I'll be back. All right, sounds good. With my host says, bro, it's so pleasing to watch programmers streaming. I have no clue what you're doing, but I always stay for streams. Thank you. Yeah, no problem. Glad you enjoy it, even if you don't know what's going on. That's cool too. Sometimes I don't know what's going on. All right, so let us cd into Python 3.6, and I don't think I need to modify my script at all. I think we should be good to just go. Let's see. Recommend CA certificates. Oh. No. This is not correct. Damn it. Why not? Oh, it's MIME support. Okay, so it's matching here when it shouldn't be. Damn it. Firefly Retro, thank you for the follow. Dashinzyo, thank you for the follow. And Jacket Bearcast, thank you for the raid. Welcome, Raiders. How are you doing today? Let me get you a shout out. What were you working on today? And welcome to the stream. My name is Anthony. I work on Python stuff. Today we are working on packaging stuff for deadsnakes, which is a oh, that set today is wrong. Whoops, set today a bunch of deadsnakes work packaging Python. github.com/deadsnakes. There we go. But yeah, we need to figure out why this said thing is too aggressive. Dashins, yo, what's up? Oh, it's going, you know. It's another day that ends in Y. Okay, so not that one. This is the one that we want to match. So we have to probably just make a regular expression a little better. Let's add this to the beginning of it and see whether that works. Like so. I don't know if it's going to do something weird with this parenthesis. We'll find out! Damn, it still did too many. Weird. Why though? This was the first package I ever packaged, so this is probably my fault some way or another. Okay, so it should have done that one. Oh, but it also did this one. Jack at Bandcast says just a few of us rating write-ups of Go to deploy some infrastructure using JSONnet. Oh, cool. What sort of Go infrastructure? Like, were you working with Pulumi, or what sort of deal were you doing there? JSONnet. I don't remember what JSONnet is. I've heard of it. I don't remember. Oh, it's the templating language. I see. Cool. Cool. I see. But yeah, were you using Pulumi, perchance? Oh, to render a Kubernetes manifest. Oh, I see. You were dealing with the Kubernetes. I understand. I should be looking at control.in, actually. I wonder if I can do a multiple match. Like, match this line, then match depends, then insert after it. With my hoe, thank you for the sub at tier 1. Appreciate your subscription. Welcome to the stream. I've abused JSONnet to make a stable game of life in the past weeks. Oh no. Oh no. That's amazing. That probably means you could use that to solve some recent advent of code problems, which were more generalized versions of game of life. Okay, let's try and do this. Echo, bling string, hello, hi, hi 2, hi 3, what? These need to have new lines. And so I want to essentially match. Actually, let's hello 2, hi 2. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to match this, then insert after it. So I think I can do that with sed match hello, then match hi 2, then insert unknown expression this. Oh, I don't know enough sed. Insert after matching 2 lines. Sed. What is /r? R is add the entire file, I assume. This is just this is a problem I already know how to solve. It's not that one. This is similar. I don't know what this is doing. But maybe if I curly brace, unmatched curly brace. What do you mean unmatched curly brace? There's 2 of them. What does curly brace do? Oh, maybe I need space curly brace? No? Oh, you know what I probably need? I think I just need a semicolon, maybe. Unknown command, semicolon. I don't know how to do this. I wish I knew sed better. Anyway, gonna head up for now. Hope the rest of the stream goes well. Well, thank you for stopping by, and thank you for the raid. I wish I knew sed better. So this is search for this, then do thing after it. This is kind of what I want to do. But I don't know why it's not working. I wonder if it's due to the new lines. Oh, it is due to the new lines. Shall check it? Did this actually do what I want? It was supposed to add WAT 2, but it definitely did not do that. It ran though this time. Yeah, see, that's weird. Unmatched curly brace. Oh, fuck, I don't know. Problem is because my match is too greedy. Ugh. Let's see. Set match line directly after another pattern. How to edit line after pattern using sed? Use NPD cycle and attempt to substitute each time. You know what, fuck it, we're gonna do it with Python. I don't know how to do this with sed. Oh, I don't know why I've been trying to do this with sed. Okay. See, less than 3 point, or greater than equal to, or greater than 3.6, and less than or equal to 3.6, with open Debian slash control.in as f, lines equals list f, or line int lines. If line equals this, then scene equals true. If line that starts with depends, do next equals true. Oh, then we can do, actually we want for I in enumerate if scene, and then lines dot insert I plus 1 recommends CA certificates back n break with open Debian slash control.in in write mode. Is there write lines? We'll just do thing I know how to do. Now I'm having to look it up. Back end dot, or no, empty string dot join lines. Yeah, I think that'll work. All right, let's try that. Origin Ubuntu focal. It made no changes. No. It's because there's a new line missing. Hey, there we go. That's what we want. Okay, sick. That means we can proceed now. Drew, how's it going? Hello, hello. Polymathic Man, good to see you again as well. What are you trying to do? Match specific packages? I'm trying to find. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to insert recommend CA certificates for the libpython standard lib package. But I was originally using a regex which matched this line and then inserted afterwards. But that regex was too generic, so I wrote a little state machine to do it instead. Hey, what's up, Viniversus? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. With my house has no clue, bro. I mean, that's also probably correct. But yeah, we're slowly making our way through every single one of these packages. Universes? Alright, I can go with that. I see, you are going with the V's instead of the U's. The old school V's. So there's this town near me called Burlingame. And, actually, let me do this real quick. G, copy and paste. There's this town near me called Burlingame. Oh, can you actually see it on this? Let's see, Burlingame, Caltrain Station. Oh, that's the new sign. Where's the old sign? Here's the old sign, here we go. And the sign says Burlingame with the V. And so for whatever reason, I have referred to this town ever after that as Burlingame because I'm a weirdo. But anyway, that was a long-winded story to tell you about Burlingame. Okay, that's Focal. Ubuntu Xenial. We don't do Bionic here because Bionic shipped with 3.6 by default. That looks good. Do that. Then we do 3.5, 4, and oh my goodness, we just go through all of these. I don't know why I'm bothering with the old packages. I guess this is probably the last maintenance work I'll do with them for a long time because of libSSL 1.1 making it so I can't maintain them anymore, which is convenient in some ways. Hey, what's up? OX Ibrahim, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. GPG again. Copy and paste twice because Xenial is weird. It's 3.6 Xenial out of the way. On to 3.5. Python 3.5. Weird Champagne says, which code formatter do you use, Black or Flake8? So Flake8 is not a code formatter. But funny you asked that question because I am the maintainer of Flake8. So you've come to the right place to ask about code formatters. I actually use a series of code formatters myself. I don't know if you've heard of pre-commit, but that might be how you're running Black, for instance. But let's see, which of these things are code formatters? Technically, this is a code formatter. Let's see. This is technically a code formatter. This is technically a code formatter, but for requirements.txt. This is the opposite of what Black suggests. So I like single quotes, not double quotes. So double quotes string fixer fixes double quotes. This existed years before Black did, so I don't know. It was less confusing before Black came along. Hey, what's up, Zafida? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, I maintain Flake8, so of course I use Flake8. I use AutoPip8 instead of Black because I find that this munges code less and makes me less grumpy about the formatting. Hey, what's up, MD Subuntu? Oh, MDS Ubuntu. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I wrote PyUpgrade. This is a code formatter that I wrote that makes your syntax better and newer and fancier. I wrote this import sorter called Reorder Python Imports. I wrote this tool called add trailing comma, which is very similar to the ideas of Black. However, it is much less aggressive than Black is. But this existed, years before Black did, and does essentially the same thing. I wrote this setup CFG format. This is a formatter for declarative setup tools metadata. I also use MyPy for type checking. But yeah, those are the code formatters that I mostly use and have written. I've also written a bunch of other ones, but yeah, that's the rundown there. Did you ever use pandas? I've used pandas once or twice. I'm not really a data sciencey type person, so I don't use pandas all that much. Hey, what's up, R. Castellati? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Priox says, that just remind me, I need to get VS Code to stop fighting end of file fixer on JSON files. Interesting. Yeah, there's a setting for that in the unsave option, if I recall correctly. OX Abraham says, what do you do? I primarily work on open source software, developer tooling, that sort of stuff, code formatters, test frameworks, automation tooling. And today we're working on Python packaging in particular. Lafita says, thanks, this is very interesting. Well, I'm glad you find it interesting. Trailing commas, yeah. So the REAMD of add trailing comma goes over more of the details there. In particular, like, this is the format that it tries to adhere things to, avoiding arbitrary indentation, making it so you have minimal diffs when adding and removing arguments. It does this for function calls. It does this for star unpackings in function calls. Star. It does this for list, dict, and set literals. It does this for function definitions, async function definitions. It does it for star args in function definitions, which is version specific. It also does it for from imports if you happen to use this particular style. I don't use this style, but some people do. It does it for base classes if you happen to have a really big chunky base class with this sad face there. It will unhug this trailing paren if you have that so that it can have more commas. It will unhug a leading parenthesis if you do this particular style so that, again, you can have argument per line. It will match the brace with the starting brace in your Egyptian braces. And the last part is sometimes it will remove trailing commas if they are unnecessary. So yes, I realize the tool is called add trailing comma, but yeah, that's add trailing comma. James White says, quick question. 1, use underscore in module names, and can you make underscore modules test for an underscore module then? Yeah, that would work. Yeah, that would work. Abraham says, programming game. I am not a game programmer, so not that. Polythecman says, until Monday. I mean, presumably I will still be working on those things. But yes, on Monday I start a brand new job as a staff software engineer at Stripe. Universe says, but do you get paid to work on open source? Man, I wish. I mean, I got paid a little bit. But not enough that it's actually significant. Not enough where I can have a long-term sustainable open source career without having a primary job. But yeah. Staff software engineer? Yes. Fancy staff title. I get a fancy title. Okay. Check out Ubuntu Focal. No rule to make target control file. Oh no. There is a control.in. Fuck, what is it here? What did it used to be called before it got changed? Is it generated files? Greater than 3.5, less than or equal to 3.5. I think this is now generated files. Oh god. That looked like it made a lot of changes. Oh, maybe it didn't. I just cleaned a bunch of fails. Okay. This looks good. Alright, that will get us 3.5 for Focal. Congrats! Thank you, Universe. Appreciate your congratulations there. But yeah, we're just making our way through all of these releases here. A lot of tedious work today, unfortunately, but it's got to get done at some point. And I've automated most of it, but as you saw from that little change that I had to do there, the automation is not 100% perfect. Tube-worm, welcome back, says I would let you engineer my staff. Would you let me engineer your principal too? Oh, the terrible yolks. The terrible yolks with Anthony Wright's go. Gotta wait for this to finish. Button, says Polymathic Man. Yeah, no one's gifted a sub today. No one has gifted a sub today. So we still got all our buttons. We still have all the buttons. Okay, that gets focal out of the way. Preox with the Rue emotes. The Rue bonk emotes, indeed. Didn't Rue recently redo all of the emotes? I don't know. Michaela doesn't have Rue emotes anymore, so I don't see him as often. Okay, so that's focal. Now we'll do Ubuntu Bionic, which looks good as well. We don't do Xenial here because Xenial shipped with 3.5. And then older than 3.5, we don't do focal because of libSSL. And then I have to do all of this again, I think. Maybe. 2 more. Oh no. Is that a alternative way to say Scrum Master? Oh no, why is it building all these packages? Oh, because this is so old that it has to install Python 2. Oh, this is gonna be painfully slow. God damn it. Ugh. Well, that's annoying. Well, we'll see what happens with that. Hopefully it doesn't have to do that for all of them. But the older these packages are, the less likely I have all the pre-built stuff. We might build a separate Docker image and hack this together so that I don't have to do that. You have bunny emotes now. What sort of bunny emotes do you have? Tubeworm? Show me your bunnies. Show me your bunnies. Oh, Michaela does. Oh, I see. I see. Do you have a YouTube? Says Weird Champagne. Indeed, I do have a YouTube channel. Where I shamelessly self-promote. Where I upload educational videos every day. So you guys ask questions in chat, and I often record those into videos where I upload them. We are up to 243 of those videos. I also upload my previous streams there, so if you miss any content, you can check those out in that place. But yeah, I do have a YouTube channel. Please subscribe or follow or ding the bell or whatever the fuck you're supposed to do on YouTube. I don't know. YouTubes. Tuberm says, I've been building shit for Debian 7 recently. I was taken by Agent glibc by surprise. Yeah, that's what happens when you've got Debian 7. Ergo, what is that emote? That was a fun googly eye one. Polymathic says, does your protocols video cover why you use one over the other? What are the 2 alternatives? Nutshell. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. You mean concrete types versus protocols? Is that the question, Polymathic Man? Elaborate, and then I can tell you the answer. Okay, 3-4 now. Protocols versus custom types. I mean, they solve different problems. You kind of can't. I mean, yeah, they solve different problems. So I'm not. They're not really substitutable. Please work. Yes. Cool. Okay, so that'll get 3-4 for Bionic. Oh, please don't have to do the massive build again. Please. Don't make me sad. Oh, it make me sad. It make me so sad. That's gonna take forever. Tuber says, I unfortunately interlocked myself between a couple of services in a way that until said shit was built, it was downtime. Oh, I see. So you have kind of that lockstep problem. We haven't had to use either, so I guess they're not that common. Oh, between protocols and custom types? Yeah, I find that they're yeah, they're not super common. They get used, but they're not super common. I think most of the cases that I use protocols for are for circular types. OD2053, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Beverlin game, yes. Anyway. But these should all start updating. Oh, trusty, right. I should probably pull the trusty packages. Because I can't actually upload to them. Marker Dev, how's it going? Hello, hello. I'm no longer going to update them as well. Mahamdi, hello, hello. Good to see you as well. Bacon drinker. How does one drink bacon? Are you like drinking the bacon fat sludge? Gross. I mean, I guess to each their own. If that's what gets your jimmies, then fucking ship it. Drink that bacon juice, man. Make it happen, bacon drinker. Bacon juice sip. Oh no, Preox. I mean, I don't eat bacon anyway, so I don't even know what bacon juice would be like. I assume it's just be like drinking melted salty butter, right? Right? Surely it's something like that. Neither do I'm a vegetarian. Wait, bacon drinker. You're a vegetarian, and your name is Bacon Drinker. That's awesome. I'm a pescatarian, so I'm basically vegetarian, but I also eat fish. Jay Phils, how's it going? Good to see you again. Welcome back. I've had the username for a long time. I see. Did you at one point in time drink bacon, and then your dietary restrictions have changed over time? Is that the story behind the Bacon Drinker username? So otherwise, I don't know what's going on there. This is like 3 days in a row. How's the stream going? It's going well. I mean, I've been streaming 2 days in a row, but I saw you the day before, so that's how it's 3 days in a row that I've said hi to you. It's going well. I'm doing a lot of really tedious stuff today. Really tedious. Basically releasing every version of Python that I maintain again. All the way back to 2.3. I wish I could be vegetarian, but then I would have terrible food out here. Yeah, it does sometimes lead to restrictive situations. But I usually find that for the most part, I can get food that's good and tasty. I mean, honestly, alright, vegan would be hard because I love cheese and milk and yogurt and pizza and fucking all the other things that have milk products in them. Like I cannot do without milk products. But yeah. Anyway. That looks good. Oh, I did this in the wrong branch. Ubuntu Xenial, get check out Ubuntu Bionic. Do this. The story is that I was young and thought it was funny, not very interesting, I see. There's some vegetarian stuff that's nice. Yeah, I mean, like, cheese. Cheese is fucking amazing. But yeah, there's some stuff that's not great. I have these really good vegetarian sausages. Man, they're so fucking good. I don't know what real sausages taste like, but these are goddamn delicious. These, oh man, they're so fucking good. They're so fucking good. I would just eat these for the rest of my life. if I could. This is literally all, like, if I could just eat these and nothing else, I would be happy. They're also, like, reasonably healthy, like 3-to-1 protein to fat ratio. This is pretty good. I think they have another, you can get them at Walmart. This is expensive though. You can get them much cheaper at Costco. Their links, I think, are slightly better nutritionally. And they taste basically the same. There's the... Oh no, these are 3-to-1 also. I swear they used to have something that was 4-to-1, but I don't know, 3-to-1's pretty damn good. Beyond Sausage is the bomb. I have not had Beyond Sausage. I guess living at home studying, aka parents make dinner, aka vegetarian just makes no... Oh, yeah. Just veggies and potatoes, non-veg food. Yeah, makes sense, makes sense. They are good. I have those. Oh, they're so good, Preox. They're so good. I don't have a Costco membership, so currently I just tag along with Juice to get them at Costco. Yeah. So good. Someone once shared some tofu sausage with me, and I was like, it's nice. It tastes like fucking dirt. Yeah, the tofu imitation meats don't always turn out so well. I can agree with that. I do actually like tofu. I like plain tofu. But yeah, I totally get that. How do you get this Costco access card thing? Juice has a Costco membership, so I piggyback on hers. Weird Champagne says, are you self-taught or did you go to school or had some sort of teacher? I am self-taught. However, I also went to school for computer science. However, I didn't really learn much at school. But yeah, I mostly self-taught myself programming to be able to solve personal problems. Things to get make my life easier. But then I went to the University of Michigan and did a CS degree there. But it was kind of a last minute idea to do a CS degree. I started in biochemistry because I wanted to be a doctor, then I wanted to be a pharmacist, then I wanted to be a research scientist, and then I realized I didn't really like working in labs, so fuck all that. And I was like, well, I've been doing computers, and honestly, I already had a CS job before I even started my CS major, so it was kind of like a natural switch to that, and rush to shove a 4-year degree into 2 years and rush to graduate. But I pulled it off. I had to take some of the classes and their prerequisites at the same time, so that was definitely tricky, and I had to max out my credits for every semester. But I made it happen. And I think I was the only 4.0 in computer science at the university. Not that fucking matters, because who gives a shit about GPA? But I was really good at CF, so... why are you eating the puppy? We're not eating the puppy, it's fine. Juice is your Costco sponsor? Yes. How far away is the next Costco/Walmart? Didn't they ban them from the Bay Area? I know one in Mountain View, but further north. The closest Costco to me... There's actually two that are pretty close. There's one in Millbrae, and there's one in Foster City. Those are the two closest Costcos. I actually don't know of any Walmarts anywhere. Bacon Drinker says, are you building Debian packages for CPython, or are you building Debian packages for some of your Python libs? For CPython. I maintain deadsnakes, if you've heard of it. And I am building those packages. Where'd my checklists go? Okay, we just did Xenial on 3.3. Now on to 3.2. Ubuntu Bionic. These are really old packages. No changes. Okay, so the control file for this is going to be different. My guess is there's no -standard lib package. There's no... Is it just all in libpever? Debug doc tk gdbm complete. I guess I just edit the lib package. Yeah. So uh, 3.3 less than 3.3 if line is equal to package lib beaver. Okay, that looks correct. Somehow it even had the consistency of sand. It was horrifyingly impressive. Oh no. Mohamdi says, have you heard of the Fritz/Stockfish story? Are you talking about C# Fritz? What is the Fritz Stockfish story? Fritz Stockfish. I don't know what that is. What is it? Tell me. I have not. What is the brand of your split keyboard? If you do bang keyboard, you can learn about my keyboard. Nico Chief says, do you have experience with different versions of Python such as IronPython, Jython, etc.? I have done a little bit of Jython, but ugh. I would not recommend Jython. IronPython was dead for a while. I think it is now being developed again, or at least, well, actually, Pygeon, which is a .NET just-in-time compiler. Oh no. Aww. It is possible that I cannot upload 3.2 anymore. Oh, there isn't a pristine tar. Okay, so what are we looking for? 3.2 underscore 326.orig.tar.gz. Oh, but this is xz. So at some point it changed from whatever xz is to gzip. Well, I guess we just can't do 3.2 then. So we will just skip 3.2, and presumably we will also skip 3.1. And that's fine. No one should be using these. Let's go to 2.6. We're probably gonna have the same problem now that I think about it. Okay, so this also doesn't have the standard lib package. So does this also do XZ? It also does XZ. Okay, so that's the end of this line then, because I don't think we can do any of these other ones because they are XZ instead of GZ. Cool. Well then, I guess that's fine. 3.3 is the last version that I add this to. Cool. Okay, so that fixes that. Let me mark this issue as done. Sweet. Oh. Again, I don't know whether it's an earthquake or just the construction next door, but my house just shook. I guess we can do earthquake area. Let's see if there was an earthquake. 1 a.m. No, it definitely wasn't that. So it's the construction. What is even the difference between XZ and GZ? The different suppression algorithm. Both of them are chess engine. Stockfish is an open source product. I see. Hey, what's up, Data Version? Hello, hello. The Fritz team made a few adjustments and claim that as an innovative work. Oh, are they like a fork of them? What's even the difference? Yeah, I don't know the difference on the server. I don't remember what XC is. Presumably LZMA, if I had to guess. I'm not 100% sure though. Something like that. I'm actually being told that I need to stop streaming because I need to go places soon. So I have applied a similar patch to Python 3.3 plus. So we had trouble with everything older than that because the pristine tar seems incompatible with the GPP version I'm using. That's okay, those packages are basically dead anyway. Are basically dead. In 3.9 plus, I added TZ data as a dependency, and in all versions, I added CA certificates as a recommend for the dash standalone package, or for in 3.3, I added it to the LdPython package since there isn't a separate dash standard lib package there. Whew, that was a whole butt ton of work there. But yeah. Cool. C301, thank you for the resub at 9 months. Congrats on your Twitch baby there. I guess you could have had a Twitch preemie last sub. Twitch preemie. Being a goof now. C301, thank you for the gift sub to Josh Finney, who now has 3 months of subdom. Appreciate your gift sub there. And welcome back to subdom, Josh Finney. Drink says, Fritz is the $100 chess engine sold by ChessBase, a commercial seller of database books. Huh. So they're selling an open source chess engine with modifications. I see. I see. But let's see, is there anything else I can do real quick while I am here? Did that. Oh, I found a security vulnerability in Facebook this morning. I can't tell you about it, but I found a vulnerability in Facebook. So that's fun. It's similar to a lot of the other ones that I've seen. Oh, the changes are actually... You can actually see the entire change set here. Wait, this is it? That's it. That's the entire set of changes here. Seems like they're cheesing it a bit there. Is it a fun vulnerability? I mean, it's not that big a deal. Will I get paid? I hope so. Who knows? Who knows? They also trained a new neural network. Stockfish recently added neural network guided play on their own DB, so it's somewhat different. but the software didn't change. I see. Yet it was a novel and innovative new AI. Ugh. J. Pratt says, "Great net. Enjoy the rest of the stream." Well, thank you for stopping by, J. Pratt. Appreciate you stopping by. But yeah, I think, actually, where's the little currently building thing? I always find that fun to look at. 41 packages currently building. Yeah. Francisco Aguilar, thank you for, oh, it's Aguiar. There's no L. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, I think that's going to wrap us up for today. A little bit of a shorter stream for today. Sorry about that. But I will be starting work next week, and I don't know what days I'm going to be streaming next week. So join the Discord. Follow on Twitter for those updates. Discord, Twitter. Let me do my little spiel as well. My name is Anthony. I upload my previous content to YouTube. Yeah, that one's coming up soon, Chom. That one I'm going to be recording soon. We're going to be doing a video about Super. And MRO and inheritance and all of that shenanigans. Yeah, that'll all be wrapped up in a video about Super. But yeah, anyway, I upload previous videos to YouTube, including educational ones, so check out these. I try and upload once a day. I also upload my previous streams after a while so that I don't get dinged by Twitch being like, "You're a partner, you can't upload those. We have exclusivity, blah, blah, blah." But anyway, that's my YouTube channel. Follow there or subscribe or whatever YouTube is supposed to do. I announced my streams on Twitter. Next week is going to be different because I'm starting a new job. So streams are going to be a little bit inconsistent. But follow here and join the Discord. I will be announcing my streams there when I do them. Because, yeah, I'm not going to have my normal Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday schedule. I will be streaming on Saturday, though, so that stream day is not changing. So please stop by on Saturdays, so in a week. Normal people get annoyed by the ads on Facebook, and he finds vulnerabilities, right? Yeah. Francisco said, "I'm Brazilian." Cool, well, welcome. Avalbona, how's it going? Sorry, we're heading out right now, but good to see you again. Yes, I'm starting at Stripe. Koran PL, thank you for the follow. Welcome. All right, let's go find someone to raid.